Whoa, 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 whoa. This beat tryna choke my throat like, damn. It's getting real, huh? Bow. The beat is it, then I jump on it. I fuck your bitch while I spill the beef. It's not the beat, then I eat the beef. They call me dad, click, I'm calling my niggas, we making a click. Yeah, we doing great, yeah, we doing better. You better check that thing like Nike. You started it, now you hiding. This ain't no hiding sick, I know you're sick. Go sick, some gotta steal Canadians. Hey, if you wanna be like me, just practice that thing like some mathematic. Ooh, I'm doing this beat, no juice. I black a dabbler, bass full of magic. I got 21 racks in the bag, still making moves like Savage. Whoa, cut this beat into pieces, then I ate it, no soya pieces. If I cough on this beat, it don't be COVID, cause I'm 98. This a really bad night, better and bougie, cause I ain't gonna ooze on me. Yeah, pull up on your beats, that's flexing. Hey, I ain't got no time for texting. I know you feel every moment, got a freestyle like this TV. Yeah, you never switch on the TV, cause my freestyles are drip. Whoa, you better come with them up. Hey, clean this mess up. Whoa, cause I'm playing this beat like Mace. Whoa, you better check your clock. Hey, I'ma put you with a Glock. Whoa, whoa, this ain't a whoa. I feel like with a guy and I kill it, no scope. Got cops chasing me, I feel like it's a game. I'm in a need for speed, whoa. Drifting on this beat, school. I never go to school, yeah, I'm ready, cool, whoa. And I call it yo bitch, yeah, we up in the cool, yeah, flexing on these niggas, hey. I don't really give a fuck, you already know I'm cool, whoa. Cool that nicey, ayy, bitch I'm hella nicey, ayy. Check that thing like Nike, wait, I ain't repeating that bar, wait. If you're a prisoner, then I gonna drop these bands. Let you be behind them. Whoa, this ain't no briefcase. If I kill this freestyle, wait, that's a close case. Whoa, 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 whoa. I ain't taking this to the judge, to deal with this up. Cause that's a close case. I just killed it. Whoa, that click.